Basics of Mathematics at Classic Academy. So, example 3, we extracted this question from June exam 2016. Question number 2, 2.1.2. We have to simplify this expression x plus 3 over x minus 3 multiply by x cube minus 27 divided by x squared minus 9 multiply by x minus 3 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 9. So allow me to name the numerators and the denominators with letters. Let us name this numerator letter A. Let us name this one B, C, D, E, and F. When you are writing your exam, you don't have to name them. I'm just naming them for simplifying things for you guys. Okay, so if we analyze, we can see that this is the multiplication of fractions, and we know how multiplications of fractions operate. Therefore, numerator E, it divides with the denominator B. Is x minus 3 divided by x minus 3, which is equals to 1. Is x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is equals to 1. If we leave our expression to be equals to x plus 3 over 1 multiplied by x squared minus x, not x squared, x cube minus 27 divided by x squared minus 9 multiplied by 1 over x squared plus 3x plus 9. So if we continue our expression, so we are left with x plus 3 over 1 multiplied by x cube minus 27 over x squared minus 9 multiplied by 1 over x squared plus 3x plus 9. So if we analyze our expression, we can see that the numerator C, we can factorize it. The denominator D, we can factorize it. What about the denominator F? Can we factorize it? This type of factorization is factorization of trinomials. What number can we multiply? Factors of 9 that we can multiply, it gives us positive 9, and when we add them, it gives us plus 3. There is no such factors of 9, so therefore we cannot factorize this. Let us leave it for now. But we can factorize numerator C. This is the difference of 2 cubes. We can factorize denominator D. This is the difference of 2 squares. So now let us factorize the numerator C. The difference of 2 cubes. How do we factorize the difference of 2 cubes? First brackets. How do we determine the first brackets? Cube root of x. You see x minus is minus. Cube root of 27 is 3 brackets. How do we determine the second bracket? We use the first bracket. X multiplied by x give me x squared. X multiplied by negative 3 give me negative 3x. And then we change the sign, it will be positive 3x. Negative x multiplied by negative x, it give me positive 9. And this second bracket is interesting. Wow. So let us look in the denominator D. The difference of 2 squares. So we factorize the difference of 2 squares. the factors of 9 that we can multiply and give us negative 9, and when we add them it gives us 0 because the coefficient of x here is 0 because it's not there. So we have positive 3 and negative 3. Positive 3 multiplied by negative 3 and give us negative 9. Positive 3 minus 3, it gives us 0. So we substitute x, then we have x, but our factors is positive 3 and minus 3. So from our working, we have seen that this is equals to x plus 3, let us put it in bracket, multiply by the difference of two squares is x minus 3, x squared plus 3x plus 9, multiply by 1 over in bracket x squared plus 3x plus 9. So here this is over, so the difference of two cubes, we are left with x plus 3, x minus 3. So let us multiply this whole expression and see what we are left with. So this multiply by 1, it gives me x plus 3, x minus 3, x squared plus 3x plus 9, multiplied by 1, we'll leave it here. So this expression multiplied by this expression, we are left with x plus 3, x minus 3, and x squared plus 3x plus 9. This is interesting. X plus 3 divided by this x plus 3. X minus 3 divided by this x minus 3. This equals to 1. X squared plus 3x plus 9 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 9. This is equals to 1 over 1, which is equals to 1. Our final answer is 1 for the given expression here. LASIK Academy, inspired by the future of the year.